Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Security Breach in VR. First, ensure your computer meets the minimum specifications for virtual reality gaming, typically requiring a powerful processor and a dedicated graphics card with at least 8 GB of video memory. Next, gather your VR headset, such as an Oculus Quest 2 or a Valve Index, along with its required cables and sensors. Finally, prepare your play space, ensuring you have at least a 6-foot by 6-foot clear area for safe movement. To begin your VR journey, you will need a high-performance virtual reality headset, like the Meta Quest 3 or a similar PC VR device. Your computer should boast a modern CPU, such as an Intel Core i7 or AMD Ryzen 7, and a graphics card like an NVIDIA RTX 3000 series or an AMD Radeon 6000 series with at least 8 GB of RAM. Additionally, a stable internet connection is beneficial for updates and potential multiplayer features. Once your hardware is ready, install the base game, Five Nights at Freddy's Security Breach, onto your PC. Since the game does not natively support VR, you will need to download a community-made virtual reality mod. Search for reputable mods on platforms like GitHub or Nexus Mods. Carefully follow the mod's installation guide, which often involves placing files into the game's directory. This process typically takes about 10 to 15 minutes. When you launch the game in VR, take a moment to adjust your comfort settings, such as snap turning or teleportation, to minimize motion sickness. Utilize your VR controllers for natural interactions, like opening doors or picking up items, enhancing immersion. Pay close attention to audio cues, as they are vital for detecting animatronics. Remember to take breaks every 20 to 30 minutes to maintain comfort and enjoyment during your playthrough.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.